Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Pete, and today we're going to install and review the Ridgid 5 horsepower Store N-Go shop vac. So stick around. Installation was simple and only took about 10 minutes. I used a stud finder, a level, a screw gun, and a pencil. After locating the stud, I simply secured the bracket to the wall, making sure it was level, with the 4 screws that were supplied. So there it is with all the tools completely mounted. I do like it. It's much quieter than my old vacuum. Couple of complaints that I might have, I'm just going to have to try it for a while, is this tool caddy. I'm not really sure if I like the way it holds all the tools on the side of the vacuum. I might just mount that to the wall by itself. The other thing is I do have the auto detailing kit with it. So there's a lot of extra hose. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep all of that hose wrapped around the entire unit like that. The other thing I did do was, and they tell you not to do this, is I mounted an extension cord that runs along the wall here, down and over to the outlet. I didn't want to have to keep unwrapping the cord or just have the cord dangling over to the outlet over here. So that was the only other kind of custom thing that I did, but overall I do like it. The blowing feature is really nice. It doesn't blow super hard, but it'll be great for drying off cars, drying off like the mirrors and things like that where water collects and gets stuck. So overall, I'll give it a thumbs up. Very nice, big improvement over what I had. Okay, update. I didn't like the way the tool caddy hung on the side of the vacuum. It hung just right. I just didn't like the way the tools were in there. So I built a small rack to hold the different tools. And just as a reminder, I did buy the car detailing set, so I do have a bunch of extra tools, as well as the ones that came with the vacuum. So the caddy still works for taking the shop vac off the wall and going to a job or something like that, but I just didn't like the way the tools were hung while it was mounted on the wall. So I liked this organization a lot better. Again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.